present that Lawson is the Premier Health Care ERP. It is built just at the right level and the right flavor, so to speak, that handles healthcare. And really, the reason for healthcare is because they have data marts within surgical and also inventory control and supply chain management within hospital inventory. So all of that stuff is baked into Lawson when you install it on servers. So let me explain the cloud. So the cloud essentially is a set of servers, and you guys understand servers are where all the data is stored and where all of your applications are installed for the ERP system. So for instance, we would install Lawson Financials and Lawson HR and Lawson Supply Chain Management on a server, okay? Now, if it's an in-house server, it means that it's inside, the hospital's firewall, and they maintain it themselves. Okay, so the reporting, and then also the construction of the chart of accounts, and then one aspect within Lawson, it's called Process Flow Professional. So whether you're on the cloud or actually your in-house servers, you can always make changes to software, even the screens and screen layouts and things, through Process Flow Professional. But typically it's trainers, a functional consultant, and technical consultant. Again, a trainer could be anybody from teaching 30 employees. Next two would be functional. So we have a functional consultant. I know this sounds kind of generic, but it's a functional consultant is anybody that's not technical. Now, a technical consultant doesn't do any restructuring of data. What they do is restructuring of software. So again, process flows would come under technical consulting. Technical consultants change the processes of software, and functional consultants will change the actual data on the screen and restructure it.